Let's make aloo chi bhaji. Start by soaking tamarind, peanuts and chana dal for an hour. Wash the colocasia leaves thoroughly. Remove the stems and chop them separately. Pressure cook the soaked lentils with the leaves and stems. Cook for 3 to 4 whistles. Now prepare the tempering with oil, mustard seeds, cumin, turmeric, asafoetida and curry leaves. Add green chili, garlic and red chili powder. Add the cooked mixture along with salt, tamarind, garam masala and jaggery. Add water, coconut and besan paste to thicken the curry. Adjust salt and add goda masala for that authentic Maharashtrian flavor. Let it simmer briefly. Your nutritious aloo chi bhaji is ready to enjoy. Please like, share and subscribe to P. Bhatt's Kitchen. Take care.